National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cass County, Indiana, Fulton County, Indiana, northwestern Huntington County, Indiana, southwestern Kosciuszko County, Indiana, Miami County, Indiana, southeastern Pulaski County, northwest Indiana, Wabash County, Indiana, White County, northwest Indiana, until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time at 10:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A line of severe thunderstorms was located along a line extending from 7 miles southeast of Culver to 10 miles southwest of Rochester to Brookston, and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles and crops is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Rochester around 10:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Logansport around 10:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Mexico and Akron around 10:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Walton and Peru around 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Grissom Air Force Base and Bunker Hill around 11:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, North Manchester around 11:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the warning include 12 Mile, Macy, Georgetown, Lake Manitou, Adamsboro, Clymers, Deesville, Athens, Hoover, and Gilead. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, post your information on the National Weather Service Northern Indiana Facebook page, or you can post on Twitter with the hashtag #NWSIWX. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Fulton, Huntington, Kosciuszko, Pulaski, and Wabash. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana